Hey everyone, welcome to a new video from Learn Arabic with Hamid. Today's topic is the dual. The dual. This is an important topic, so pay attention and let's start. The dual. The dual in Arabic is called المثنى. The dual المثنى. So when you address two persons, we talk about two persons. In Arabic, unlike English, there's a certain structure for the dual. Okay, that's different from the plural, and it's very, very important that you know the difference in the structure between both. So it's used for pairs. Okay, this is the dual, and the dual can be formed for male and female based on the structure of the word or the position of the word in the sentence. If the word is either nominative or either accusative or genitive, okay? So these three states determine how the word is derived in the dual. Don't worry, we will get to these one by one very slowly so that you can absorb the information. Just pay close attention to me explaining each part. The male dual, if we want to derive a male dual from the male noun, there's a derivation for the nominative case, and there's another derivation for the accusative and genitive cases. Accusative and genitive cases have the same derivation. Nominative is different. So this is very, very important. Let's start with the nominative case. Let's have a word like a man, rajul, a man. If we want to say two men, we say in Arabic, in the nominative case, ragulan or rajulan. So let us say it properly in modern standard Arabic with the jim, not the gim, because gim is Egyptian dialect. Rajulan. So what did we do here? From rajul, we add two letters, alif and noon, and it's pronounced like this, an, at the end. So it becomes rajulan. As simple as this. This is the nominative case. Let's move to the other case with the accusative and the genitive. Instead of adding alif and noon, we add ya and noon, so it becomes ain. So rajulain. So from rajul, it's rajulan in the nominative case, and it's rajulain in the accusative and genitive cases. Let's talk about the dual for the female. It's exactly the same thing. You add the an or the alif noon in the nominative case, and you add the ya noon ain in the accusative or a genitive case. Very simple, exactly like the male form. Let's have a small example. When we say a girl, bint, a girl, bint. So in the nominative case, you just add the alif noon, so it becomes bintan. In the accusative and the genitive cases, you just add the ya noon, and it becomes bintain. So this is simply what is dual is all about. So adding the alif noon or ya noon based on the grammatical state, whether nominative or accusative and genitive. But there's something also before I end that's very, very important, finish with this video, that you need to pay attention to. If you have a word that ends with the Ta Marbuta, which is this simple circle and it has two dots above it, you have a small transformation that you do before transforming this word into the dual. For example, let us have an example of the word rose, warda, warda. This is a female word, and warda, a rose, ends with this Ta Marbuta, warda, and it's pronounced as ha, warda. So, if you want to transform it into the dual, as we said, you will say wardahin, wardahin. No, it's not like this. As you see, it's, or as you hear, it's very difficult to pronounce. We make in Arabic a small transformation. Instead of the Ta Marbuta, we add ta instead. So it's pronounced as ta instead of ha. So warda becomes wardat, and then we add the alif noon. So wardatan. And this is a nominative case. The causative and genitive becomes wardatain. Wardatain. So pay attention to this. This is very, very important.